Hi! Today I'll be showing you how to make a holiday booking on the Offbeat Holiday Club app using your Offbeat Plus membership. Once you have downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or App Store, open the app. Click the three dots at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Click Sign In. Add your username and password and click Sign In. Once signed in, click Hotels under Plus Benefits. Enter your holiday destination, check-in and check-out dates, number of rooms you will need, and the number of adults and children plus their age going on holiday. Once done, click the search icon. The app will automatically search for amazing holidays in the area you have selected. Browse the variety of holidays available for you to book. Once you have decided on a hotel you would like to stay at, click Book. Browse the hotel details as you desire. Look through the different rooms available for your dates and the corresponding prices. If applicable, you can add meals to your booking as well. Once you have decided on the room you would like, click the Book Now button after selecting the room you would like to reserve. Review all your booking details and add in all your relevant details in order to make your booking, such as traveler information and special requirements. Add in your payment and billing information, and click Complete Booking. And that's it, your hotel is booked. Enjoy your holiday. Please note that terms and conditions as well as cancellation policies are different for each hotel. Please ensure that you are aware of the rules applicable to your booking.